hasn't bought me a thing. Now this deadbeat wants to have dinner at fucking Burger King. The place is building no AC, it's really the pits. Not to mention all the screaming and running kids. He won't shut the fuck up about his goddamn surfboard. When I had some Jack Daniels in my purse, I'm real bored. Just shut the fuck up already, no one gives a shit about your stupid surfboard. I don't know how much longer I can last. I'm down this hole real fast. This fucker wants to buy me a kid's meal. Seriously, loser, get fucking real. Tell me to shut up, don't you dare. I'll shout and I'll sing. Go ahead, call the cops, I don't care. I got drunk at Burger King. The jack was empty, threw the bottle at the wall. You know, come to think of it, I'm suddenly having a ball. I chase some little kids out of the playground. I dive into the ball pit and there I'm gonna drown. I'm drowning in plastic. Tell me to shut up, don't you dare. I'll shout and I'll sing. Go ahead, call the cops, I don't care. I got drunk at Burger King. This fucking dog wants to buy me a Happy Meal. I can't have a Happy Meal, I'm allergic to keel. After I've broken a window, a plastic bench and some other stuff, the exasperated underpaid manager screams he's had enough. The crazy drunk